Bounce pass. So all you do is side, toss, side, toss, side, toss. All right. After that, we're gonna move on to more difficult techniques. This is moving target. We're gonna start off running and just pass. Pass. Alright, after that, we got the long pass. So I'm gonna bounce it. Look back. Throw it to my target. Let him make the layup.